this and Welcome back to Nail Apparel, only on Goober Hub, where nails are the main accessory here. So I got asked a question on Instagram from Seekhelp, and she said, what designs do I recommend for people who don't have sturdy hands? So today we're going to do some camo print because it's a great design to do when you can't paint a straight line or you've had too much to drink. So the first thing to get you started for your camo print is to pick out 4 different colors. I'm using very earthy tones here, but you can use blues and pinks, or you could do an array of black to white. That would be really pretty too. But this is what we're using here today. So like I always say, always make sure you start with a base coat. I'm a lefty. The camera needs to be on the other side. It's super important to make sure your nails don't get stained and your nail polish is gonna stay on longer. So once you've finished with your base coat and your nails are all dry, we're gonna go in with our base color. So I'm choosing the lightest out of all of my camo colors, but you could literally choose any one you want. And I'm only gonna paint 1 coat of color on, because it's all gonna be covered with the design anyway. So after you've painted your nails your base color, I'm gonna go in with my brown first. Just put a little dab of it on your parchment paper or foil. And then I'm going to take a dotting tool. These are super cheap. You can find them online or at any beauty supply store. They're only like $1. And just dip it straight into the polish and then make a very organic, random place design. This is super easy. You don't have to have any rhyme or reason. And you can't really mess up because it's supposed to look organic. So once you have your first color done, you want to make sure you clean your dotting tool. So while the polish is still wet, wipe off all of it. Then you're just going to repeat with the rest of your colors. And now the last thing I'm going to do is go over some spots with the first color we painted as the base color, so we can really make sure it pops and it looks as organic as the rest of them. And since we want our nails to blend in with nature, we're going to go with the matte top coat instead of shiny. Oh no, where'd my nails go? Get it? Because they're camo? No. And now that our nails are all done, let's go pick out an outfit that'll blend in with the camo print. Alright guys, I just finished laundry, so we can see what we're wearing. Oh god. And maybe... yeah, I'll just wear that. Thanks so much for watching Nail Apparel, only on Goober Hub, and don't forget to message me any of your nail related questions on Instagram at JulieV37. And I'll see you guys next week where we do a whole nother nail look and a whole new outfit. See you then. So in all honesty, on a scale of 1 to Lara Croft, what do I look like?